Hi, I'm Helen and I'm going to be showing you around my van Morris. Come on in. Morris was made in 2017 by Joe Clark, who's on Instagram as Campervan Craftsman. So the wood has this lovely finish on the sides and that was, I think, sourced in Shepton Mallet. So we tried to source things sustainably and locally. And everybody's put in a bit of an idea. So my dad's a sailor, so there's a gimbaled oil lamp which moves around, and we've got a barometer and a clock. My friend George is an artist and she helped choose the colours and the fabrics, and that's one of her paintings. My friend Neil's a sound engineer and he put in these excellent Alpine speakers and the sound system. My brother's a cook and he chose all the kitchen stuff, and I like kind of fabrics and things, so I got the tiles done. So this is all William Morris print seaweed. The nice things about Morris is that, so you've got solar panels, 2 solar panels on the roof and 2 leisure batteries, so you never seem to run out of electricity. It's got electric hookup as well, but to be honest, I rarely use it. So there's these lovely inlaid lights about, and also by the bed you've got these kind of little cabinets, so you can put your glasses in at night and stuff, and you've got a light, you can read your book. One of the loveliest things, it's a big pocket sprung bed, so it's a fixed bed and it's super comfy. I love my sleep, and this is just lovely. I used to go to festivals and find that I left the table down and the bed made up all the time, and I got to the point where I thought, well, actually having a really comfortable bed that's fixed and then a table that you can remove if you need to might actually be a better solution. I can guarantee you, with the blackout blinds and everything like that and the shaded windows, it's a stunning night's sleep. It's really comfortable. It's got 2 gas rings and a grill. We've got a fridge and freezer. It works well, and this is just off the solar power, so if you fancy a G&T when you arrive, there's always some ice there. And the other thing that we've got down here is a porta potty. It's nice at night to not have to go out into the fields if you so desire, but it's just a porta potty cube, and the chemicals for that are within a bag to one side here, but that makes it kind of a nicer experience at night. Because we're kind of into sustainability and recycling, there's a waste food bin. If you can't get rid of the waste at a campsite, we're happy to dispose of it when you bring it back to Bath. We also provide a little gift basket with local Bath ales, Gem and Thatcher's cider, so a little bit of the West Country. Then the other thing we've got as we look around is all of the storage. So there's a lot of cupboards. There's the kind of cutlery drawer, pots and pans here. We found that to live in it, it's really nice to have this cupboard empty so that you can just slide in your shopping. So we tend to leave that one empty. Plates and bowls and a teapot. Obviously one needs tea at all times. We always provide tea and coffee just to start you off at the beginning, and some spices and things like that. The other nice feature with this van, if there's 2 vents down here, and this is, we've got an Eberspacher heater. Now again, my dad's a sailor and he always dreamed of having an Eberspacher heater in his boat. So it means that if you're hiring the van in November or December, it can actually be really warm and toasty, or indeed during the heat wave you can have air conditioning and it's really nice and cool. So that's a lovely feature. Again, we like comfort. And here's the bed and the massive lovely comfy mattress. We can put in things like camping chairs and roll tables, things like that. And this is a friend of mine, Paulie, is a tree surgeon, and he's made some Swedish candles which burn really beautifully. So the people hiring it tomorrow have got the fire pit and a bag of logs and things like that, but also a couple of Swedish candles so that they can, it's a beautiful thing to watch at night basically. And on the back, just as a final thing, we've got a bike rack, so that if you're into taking a bike, you've got that option as well. And one other thing, a lot of my friends have got you know, one kid, so we have got something for the front here. So this is a concertina mattress which folds out along the front seats, and we've also got a wooden support for this, so it can be a stable and steady kind of bed for a kid up to, I think, 1.5 meters.
That's good. Had some good times in there, haven't we?
We've had some excellent times.
It's super comfy.
Very comfy.
Very roomy.
It elevates camping from lying on a deflating lilo to
a whole new
really
level.
Whole new level. To be able to make a cup of tea and wake up in a comfy bed.
Oh yeah, and the fridge and the freezer and the portaloos, brilliant.
Yeah.
Amazing.